So my question here, I guess, is what actually is wind chill? Because the way I'm imagining it is, technically, when there's convection, I mean, compared to just if there was just steady air, no movement, right?
Correct.
But with wind chill, we say that it has a lower temperature. But
So
this isn't actually true. So where is this difference coming from? Is it in perceived loss of energy that's coming from you because of the convective heat transfer versus convection, or something
that's
else?
pretty close. So it's kind of just think of it like this. You have some water and you put a drop of food dye into that water. Now, that food dye is going to keep its color better in stable water. So now imagine that that food dye represents your heat. Like look at yourself through an infrared camera. If the air around you is moving, it's going to dissipate that heat faster. So with the moving solution, the moving fluid, the equilibrium point is reached faster because you're introducing, in this case, a cold fluid that's going to take away from the heat. So when you're standing still in still air, the air around you, immediately around you, is heating up and it's sticking to you. Wind chill is actually what Canadians think real temperature is, because if a Canadian tells you that it was -20 yesterday, feel safe in knowing that it was probably 12 degrees.
My question is, though, I wonder how they calculate it, because if you do the math, right?
Well, here's the formula that they use for the wind chill index in Canada. So temperature of wind chill is equal to, and these units are in Celsius and kilometers per hour, 13.12 plus 0.6215 temperature ambient minus 11.37 of the velocity to the 0.16th power plus 0.3965 temperature ambient times velocity to the 0.16 power.
Holy correlations, Batman. Yeah, well, it's going to be based on I get it also has to be based on humidity, though, right? Like wet bulb
Humidity is its other
or
thing.
whatever.
We're going to do an episode on humidity and air bulb and wet bulb temperature and all that, because that's also fascinating. That'll have to be for next time. This has been Earth Science, or whatever we're calling these.
Doing Mother Earth.
Yeah. Thermodynamic movements. I don't know.
Don't use that word. I'm so tired of thermo. I can't take it anymore.
Thank you, everybody, so much for listening. Subscribe for more everything. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.